Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Friend, a millions of aspirants have a dream to become an IAS officer, and for become an IAS officer, many students join coaching center for preparation of IAS exam. So friend, in this video, I would like to inform you about coaching center before join. So friend, first is location of the coaching center. Friend, location is the most important fact. The location of the coaching center must be at your nearby or should be accessible by different modes of public transport. Second is track record of the coaching center. Friend, to know the track record of the coaching is necessary if you going to join it. Friend, if you find all necessary information about the coaching center related to past result, faculty information, reviews, and much more regarding the institute, then you will easily know about the exact information of the coaching institute. Friend, next is batch strength. Friend, batch strength is also a main point just because if the number of students will be more in the class, then the teacher cannot give you individual attention and cannot clear your doubts individually. So, friend, always ask them about the standard of the student per batch. Next is faculty information. Friend, faculties are the backbone of any coaching center, so always inquire about the faculties in the institute and their qualification and teaching experience. Next is the motivational environment. Friend, the motivational environment of the coaching center always must be motivational because without motivation it's tough to crack the IS exam, and every great teacher always motivates his student, and also the environment of the coaching center should be student friendly. Friend, next is fees of the coaching center. Friend, fees of the coaching center of the IS is very high. So friend, always see the fees structure of the coaching institute and ask them about the installments and about some concession if you will submit the whole fee in one time. Next is study material. Friend, study material is also an important part of coaching like faculty. So ask them about it. Study material should be prepared by expert professionals and revised timely according to the pattern of the IS exam. Friend, next is mock test facility. Mock test is also necessary for the preparation and to judge yourself where you are now and what are your weak points. So the mock test facility must be there on a regular basis and should be on time. Friend, next is never go on brand name. Friend, one thing remember, many of the coaching centers are big brand, and nowadays they have many more branches in all over India. So it's not possible to have the same faculty and all other things same as they have on their number one institute. So friend, check all the things before you join. Friend, last is extra class facility. Some of the coaching centers are providing this facility and some are not. But the friend, extra classes are always important. These classes should be based on some new tips and tricks by the expert and on some other important topic. So friend, please attend the extra class facility. So friend, this is all about the important points what should we keep in mind before joining the IS coaching center.